There's a reason why most of the pictures that I take are only with one door up, and that's because I only have one Lambo door installed. Vertical doors. Ta-da! So these are the old door hinges. Here's the Lambo door hinge. So they give you all the necessary equipment. So we're gonna take this to Ben's, and today's the day we finally get the other side installed. Man, are you fucking serious? That's the... Got pulled over for nothing. Yeah, that's it. Oh, shit, man.
Yeah, take care. Enjoy the car, hey? Drive safe.
Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you. Cool. But officer was super chill. He just, what he told me was, when he was scanning my plate, it said that the car was black, but he just talked to his officials and they said that wrap is okay. Like, I don't actually have to change my insurance or anything for that, so super chill cop. I showed him what I had under the hood. He was curious, and yeah, good to go. Just like 15-minute delay. It's the first time this year that I've gotten pulled over, and it was for my wrap. He was just curious because, yeah, so he was following me. Like, I noticed this vehicle, but he just turned his lights on for no apparent reason. I thought it was because the brackets that are supporting my Battle Arrow spoiler, they're obstructing my license plate, basically. Like, the cross goes right over it. And I thought that's what he was pulling me over for. It turns out it was because when he was scanning my plate, it said that my car was black, but it's green and black, obviously. So he was wondering why. I was just being super cooperative. He came back to the car. He told me that he talked to his superior, and that his superior said that wrap is okay. So this is actually okay, and that I don't have to talk to my insurance about it. So I'll talk to them, because honestly I think the brighter the color, the higher the insurance. It goes for some colors like red and yellow. If it has two doors, obviously it's considered sporty. He even talked about the green lights in the front, so I showed him my little magic button that makes this thing legal. Well, more legal. But other than that, the guy was super chill. He was kind of young too. It seemed like he was into cars. He was asking me what else I had done to this car, what I did for a living. So I told him we work on cars, I'm a freelance illustrator, and then he was curious, so I popped the hood open for him, and then he pretty much let me go with a slap on the wrist, and just gotta be nice. And I mean, it's a beautiful day, so if he were to give me a ticket today, I would have been pretty irate. But I mean, I'm a pretty accepting guy at the end of the day, so probably just would have paid the ticket. But now we can make our way to Ben's to finally get the installation of this last Lambo door started. Lego. This alleyway though. Whoa. So bad. Yoo-hoo! We got some peace offerings for Ben's toolbox. Dude, I have some peace offerings. Fuck yeah! Oh, y'all already have cokes. What the heck? There's the collection, dude. Dude, we're leaving tomorrow morning.
Holy!
That's why.
Let's get it done! Oh, Regina! Dude, I'm running out of real estate. Yeah, I like that blur, dude. That's sick.
The bad. I'm gonna leave it with. Yeah, no worries. You enjoy the day, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you, for sure. And it was Jordan, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so while we're waiting for my car to be worked on, borrowing the van from my dad so I can bring some of the paintings from the gallery home. He also asked me to vinyl wrap his front bumper because some of the paint is peeling. Show you guys what I mean. It's seen better days. Damn, cheapest alternative, my dad just asked me to vinyl wrap it with whatever color. He actually chose silver, so I went next door to Ape Auto Accessories and I picked up some silver. We're gonna try to make this thing look pretty again. Got the wheels on. Yeah. See that smile, man. I'm okay with that. You look good. Alrighty, all finished up. Ben is finished with the car, so we can just, on our way, go pick it up. There's the silvers. Weird. Looks pretty cool. Nice. There she is. Jeez.
Ready to fuck your shit up?
Yeah. Okay, cool, man. Gonna give you a huge shout out on this one, man, yeah, for sure.
Let's get me to 1,000.
Heck yeah, man. Everyone,
followers.
Follow this guy. Ben, thanks for all the help, always. I gotta rock your banner, man. Don't worry, I have a big green one and it's gonna go right on my spoiler, so.
Joyride?
Yeah, for sure, for sure. I owe you.
Thanks,
okay,
appreciate it.
Take care, man.
Okay, peace.
Bruh. All right, man.
You got the other part?
Yeah, yeah, I do.
Wow.
Oh, man. There she is.
Wow.
What?
Wow, Doug, wow.
This can go up now. I have to be so careful with this. Hey. Oh, see already. Fuck.